We all have a pattern of beliefs that we believe in. When you know that your beliefs are selective, and they are, then you take a different path, you take a different road. Knowing that your beliefs are selective to you when you choose them to be. Now, we the human beings, that we choose to believe it or not to come, but people have a way of teaching, of saying, of maybe doing different things, and we will hold on, cancel. I had a glitch there, sorry about that, guys. But when we are in a belief format, in a belief mindset, we're believing what we believe, and it's coming from maybe our conscious mind, maybe our subconscious mind, maybe it's a limiting belief, maybe it's not a limiting belief. But the beliefs that we have are selective, meaning we can believe what we choose to believe. And it's up to us, each individually, on what it is we want to believe. Hold on, because they're selective to each one of us. Now, not to say that other people do have influences on the people, on the masses. There are people that have influences. There are people that use the different techniques of NLP, or maybe they're just good talkers. There's people like that all over the world. And oftentimes, it's someone that we can resonate with. Maybe someone has hit a pain point for you of how struggling is and how sad it is and how hard it's been. And then you resonate more with that person. That is psychology. That is what psychology is in explaining that. But the key to success, again, it is your beliefs, it is your habits, it is all selective to you individually. But the key to success is to take the beliefs that are you, that work for you from the heart brain, take those beliefs and funnel them and use those as an attraction factor to attract what you desire. When you do that, you're going to see that there's going to be people teaching what they're doing, which is great. I'm not telling you to use what they're teaching. I'm telling you to mirror what they're teaching. I'm telling you to learn the systems, the strategies, to know what they're teaching and mirror it for you. But when you have people that you're listening to out there that are teaching, maybe you're just resonating with the doom and gloom. Maybe you're resonating with it because it's how you have been in the past. And your past you is not the you that you are wanting to evolve the new you to, right? Think about it. Because it's known as a cult mentality. And a cult mentality is you have a leader, a cult leader, who is just resonating with the people and just getting them to do whatever they want. And a lot of people fall into the cult mentality because they're lost, they're lacking. All they can see is the lack in their lives and the loss in their lives, and it's hard to get past that. That is normal human behavior. It is hard to get past it when all you feel is lack. So just take a look at what is being taught and what you're listening to. If you're listening to something that somehow, even one little iota of something doesn't match a feeling you have, it doesn't resonate with prosperity, it doesn't resonate with your growth, it doesn't resonate with you earning, anytime we're given something, it's a huge factor that we won't succeed, we won't keep it. It will go away quickly and it's gone, whatever that might be. This is just quantum physics because energy moves fast. Items move fast, money moves fast. And if you're not in the mentality and the belief that you deserve this, that you have this, you can say, I deserve this. But if you don't believe it, it's not going to stay with you. It's not going to be there. So look at the mirror image of what it is you're wanting to create. Are you trying to grow a business? Are you trying to grow an income? Are you maybe just trying to get a side hustle going, just to get a little extra income coming in the house for whatever reason? Maybe your company shut down during this last year. Maybe things aren't great and you need, holiday money or whatever it is. You're just trying to get extra income. Look at what your beliefs are first before you go jumping into getting something that's crazy out there. So, and mirror what's being taught so that you can make it your own. When you can make it your own, your subconscious jumps on board because it believes with you. The big subconscious does not know if something is right or wrong. It does not know if it's real or fake. It does not know. Your subconscious just wants to give you what you need, what it feels you need from you. And it's going off of past programs. So if you have pastly said, I can't do this, I'm not doing that, I want to do that, but you know me, nothing works, blah, blah, blah. You have the whole scenario written down. I'm not succeeding. Throw it in the trash. Burn it. You don't need it. Let it go. So look at what someone else is doing and mirror those techniques, mirror those systems. They're there for you to mirror. I put out systems, I put out a training every day for you guys. And it's meant for you to mirror that, to get the training and make it your own. Put your own spin on it and put your own name on it. Why not? It's there. It's there for you. Use it. So when you grow the beliefs of, I am doing it. I am doing it. I can do it. I will do it. When you have that mentality, you are unstoppable. The belief of your own that is yours, that you can say, I am not a follower. I will not do what someone else is telling me I have to do. I will not join the masses. I will not. I will follow my heart. I will follow what I know is right. And the majority of people, and grasp this really quickly, guys, the majority of people will follow blindly and do what the leader is telling them to do. And this is a cult mentality. And a lot of countries are run on a cult mentality. China being one. Germany being another. They have the cult mentality where they will do what their leaders tell them to do. Right? We know it is. We've seen it, and we've just heard the broadcast. We've heard the news. That's another thing, guys. Don't watch the news and don't follow what everyone's telling you to do or what one person is telling you to do, or you know what? It's not worth it. So what you're learning from going to seminars, or maybe you're having virtual seminars right now because of the pandemic that we're so called in. That's not true. But seminars, coaches, reading, all of these things that you're learning, look at it, learn it. I mean, learn it. Ask questions, get the answers, and definitely mirror it, make it your own. Believe you can, and you will. Always. It's simple. When you believe you can, your subconscious has no other alternative except to give it to you. First, you have to have the emotion, the belief that is your own belief, no one else's belief. Do not, once you start following what other people are telling you you have to do, when you start following those people, that becomes a cult mentality. And that's not where you want to go. You want to have your own set of rules. You want to have your own guidelines. You're in control of your life. No one else is. So mirror what's being taught. There's a lot of teachers out there, and we're all teaching you different things. We're all teaching you how to go forward. We're all teaching you how to find your own success. Well, most of us are teaching you. So take the systems, take the courses, take the strategies, grow your belief system. It's going to change. Be prepared. You're going to go through a struggle as you change your beliefs. As you turn your beliefs into a more positive, prosperous factor, you're going to change your beliefs. And that's good. Because when your beliefs grow and you step out of that box, that proverbial box that nobody wants to be in to start with, when you step out of that and you have to become that person that is the millionaire. You have to become that person who is wealthy. You have to become that person. Okay? It's a given. You have to become. Okay. I hope you take advantage of this offer I put up here for you. It is to help you to grow, to teach you, to learn, to mirror what's here. Become the you you're meant to be. Okay? I have faith in you. I have confidence in you. Comments, questions, concerns? Let me know. Okay, friends. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.